On Wednesday, 24th, Lithium Americas, the stock increased by a significant amount. And let's take a look and see if this stock is worth pursuing. My name is Dr. Cheng Liu. I welcome you to this Liu Stock Observe episode, where we review daily hottest stocks gainers and sometimes hottest losers. On September 24th, the top gainers are Curie, which is a company called UniQure NV, and followed by CDTX, Cidara Therapeutics. Both of them are therapeutics drug discovery companies. But Lithium Americas was one of the top gainers. Its stock moved by about 84% after Trump hinted that the government might take a stock in the company. It's actually a Canadian company. Let's talk about the first one, UniQure. It increased by 247%. The reason is because it is making Huntington disease drugs. I have to look up the online information for difference between Huntington disease, Alzheimer's disease, and Parkinson's disease. It turns out that they are all different. Huntington's disease is a true genetic disorder that causing neurodegenerative issues. So it's certainly nice somebody is making a good move on finding a cure. Lithium Americas, this is the main topic of today. This company increased by 95% on Wednesday. And I looked it up. Lithium America is actually a Canadian mining company that spun off from South America operations from Argentinian companies. So it really started to peel off the United States operation. And this company is right now losing a ton of money. It has lost $42 million in 2024. But the promise of mining minerals in the United States is something new. Lithium America's primary competitors, there are quite a bit of competitors. I'm going to take a look at some of them. There are certainly lots of Chinese competitors. As you can imagine, there are a lot of South American competitors. In the United States, actually the biggest ore for the lithium is in Nevada. That's where this company is located. In this place, it was reported that you can find about 40 million tons of lithium. The reason that people do not heavily mine them right now is because of environmental concerns. It's a very dirty process, as you can imagine. The United States actually holds quite a large deposit, known deposit of lithium, 9.1 million tons, compared to Bolivia, Argentina, and Australia. So it's hopeful that the company can have pretty good revenues. The number 3 company that increased, I'm going to do a separate episode on this, is Open Doors. Open Doors is an online company that buys and sells residential real estate. It grew very rapidly during the COVID time because people cannot get out of the door. And now it went through a heavy slump, but in the past few months, it has been increasing. I guess it's maybe tied to the resurgence of real estate market in the United States after the Fed interest rate change. So overall, on the 24th, the stock market is, I would say, stagnant in a sense. People are waiting. People are concerned that the AI might be a bubble. People are concerned that there are unknowns about inflation, about jobs, and so on and so forth. This is understandable, and the U.S. stock is decreasing, and all the Asian ones China, Japan, Hong Kong, they are increasing. Here is my takeaway today. There's a lot of uncertainties. Jobs is a big concern. Whether United States can competitively create new jobs, I think is an open question. There's a lot of this H-1B issues. I think it's a side issue. AI fatigue is real because people are openly thinking, is this AI a bubble or is this going to burst? Is this just going to continue to a bubble for a long time? And so on. We see companies like NVIDIA, Oracle, and OpenAI. They seems to form triangle deals that support each other's claim that AI's future is great. So I don't quite buy that yet until I see the evidence. And Intel is making pretty large plays with a lot of partners, NVIDIA, Apple, and so on. Lastly, just warning that the above only serves as observation, my personal observation. Investment is very risky. Take it very carefully and do your own homework, please. Thank you very much for going this far on this episode, and I hope to see you again in the near future. Thank you.